What's up, guys? So I just got Cha-Cha Matcha, of course, the usual. When am I not at Cha-Cha? And I just finished lunch as well. Now I'm about to go meet up with Grayson, kill some time. We are gonna meet up with Zane. Zane and I have some things we're gonna film later today. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Yesterday, I was supposed to film the BH2 rally, but I didn't end up taking my car. Edmund had texted me, he's like, hey, do you want to just be my passenger? And I was like, yeah, okay, that works, because I don't want to drive, really, to be honest. I've been driving a lot lately. And so I went with him, and I started filming yesterday, but I didn't keep up with it. So we'll have some cool things planned for you guys today, so stay tuned. Hey.
Hello.
Did you just wake up?
Yeah.
What time is it? 2:55 and you just woke up?
We're gonna not talk about that.
Okay, we want to talk about it. Alright guys, so Grayson and I were looking at our tires, and I think maybe it's time for some new tires, because look at all that cording. So I need to go buy 2 new front tires tomorrow before I go back to Vegas at some point this week, and then when I get home to Vegas I need to buy 2 back tires. Alright, so Zane just got here, and now we're going to meet Yari at Cha-Cha because he's never been. And then we have to go get some oil for Grace's car because she has none. So, yeah. And I'm back at Cha-Cha again for the second time. What's up? Say what's up.
Yo, 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 yo.
What's up, Zane?
What's up?
Grayson? Yari? Not sure if my camera will focus in on it, but this sunset is so pretty. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm nice with the dance.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Just took delivery of my new GT3. Proud day, you guys.
Proud day?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Right here.
And look where we are, back on Rodeo like usual.
Literally, this is like a daily thing. This is all we do.
We're not in Beverly Hills unless you go to Rodeo at least once a day.
Or Cha-Cha Matcha.
Yeah. No Snapchatting.
What's up? How are you? Good?
Hi. Be loud. That awkward. We're getting a bit closer.
How much did you got in the front?
$500,000 SV turns to $700,000.
Right?
Art.
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 I gotta get my camera. Step 3. You really need to buy yourself some duct tape. So after that, Grayson, come here. Hold this camera for me.
Look over here.
Step 3 is buy your duct tape. Step 4, peel the duct tape off. So you want to get about, I want to say, a foot of duct tape. Rip it out. And then 90-degree angle to
The other way.
Which way?
This way.
Oh, it is 45. So another 45-degree angle this way. And oh, it's messed up. Cut the clip. Cut the clip. Cut the clip.
And that's how you
And
make.
that's how you add $120,000 to your car. All you guys out here are losing money. I'm winning money over here.
Alright guys, I've been all over the place, but Liam is now, say what's up?
What's up?
Liam is taking me to get my car at Grayson's house, and then we're headed back to Rodeo to film something cool, so stay tuned. Who wants to see if we get pulled over or not?
Dude, my windshield is so dirty.
I know, look how dirty his windshield is. So Liam does not have valves, they're always open. What else do you have?
I have side muffler delete, and then a GMG center section. So
And guys, let me tell you, his car is so loud. It sounds good, but it's funny enough. Every time I'm with Liam in his car, we always get pulled over.
yeah, I think we're 3 for 3.
Yeah. So let's see what happens as a cop right
I
there.
don't want to make it 4 for 4.
No 4?
No 4.
It'll be good content.
I hate you for the content.
Thanks for the ride, Uber.
Yeah, we made it. We didn't get pulled over. So.
And I'm back in Bay. Woot woot! Oh yeah, it's a fire truck. Oh my god! Zane,
Yeah, what's up?
I'm kind of hungry.
It's mad late. You just ate like 2 hours ago.
What time is it? Wait, that's 3:25 a.m. What?
No.
What? that can't be right. What time is it actually?
Okay, first of all, here's
It's
my
10:03.
iPhone. Here's my iPhone with the home button. Apparently, I'm the only one here that has a home button on my iPhone. It's
Zane.
10:03. Things are closed. El Paseo is closed.
Honestly, we could probably.
Let me see what's open real quick. Hold on. Food. Restaurants. How does McDonald's sound? Do you want to go to McDonald's?
Low-key, I'd be down for some fries. They have some pretty good fries.
Alright, let's go to McDonald's. I'm down.
Alright, cool. We'll go there then.
You're gonna crease my. Okay, you're gonna crease. Okay.
What are we doing?
Okay.
We're getting food.
We're getting food.
Okay,
You're down for McDonald's?
Okay, let's all go.
Are you down for
Moving
McDonald's?
on. Let's go.
Down for McDonald's?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
We're gonna go.
He's like, oh.
Right there.
So you're lying?
Where?
Are you serious?
There's no cop. Oh yeah, there's a cop at the light.
Wait, it's back in the turn.
Give me that camera.
I like a Ferrari V12. I like a lot.
So I think we are gonna go on a little cruise with a couple cars, and then we're gonna head to McDonald's because I really want some fries. But I'm not driving my car because my tires are all cording. So tomorrow morning, I think I'm gonna head over and get some new tires so I don't have a blowout.
Am I really close to the camera?
Yeah.
Alright. So Gigi's really hungry right now.
So hungry.
We're out here at McDonald's. I don't eat fast food. So what's going on? I don't know what's going on. But apparently we're gonna be shooting flames in the drive-thru. If we put Gigi here, she's gonna catch on fire. So you gotta pick a side.
This side, cause wait.
Drive-thru's on
This
this
side
side.
is the window, right? Yeah.
So go on this side. So you're gonna go on this
Yeah.
side, and apparently she's ordering fries. I don't know why fast
I'm
food sucks.
hungry, you know.
Fast food sucks. Hopefully we get some good reactions in the drive-thru. Hopefully they're cool.
hopefully.
Grayson, was the drive-thru people cool?
Yeah, they're pretty dope.
They're dope? Alright, okay.
I need, like,
So don't be down.
$5.
Don't be down for this, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright, cool.
He goes,
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Come on.
It's like a tray table.
Gigi,
An expensive tray
Check.
table. Carbon fiber tray table. One of a kind.
Lamborghini, check. Drive-thru open, check. Alright, we gotta do this. I am so cold right now.
Gigi, check.
dude? No, I'm good. I'm good. My nipples are just hard.
Dang. Milana, you gonna record?
Start up.
I got the Can I just do small? And that's it. Thank you.
Alright, so she just ordered her food. Hopefully these guys cooperate. What do you think? Are they gonna cooperate? I have a feeling they are. But we're about to pull up. We got some IG videos. Show them Gigi's table, the carbon fiber table. What's up, guys? That was a success. Alright, let me get a fry.
They gave us extra.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Oh, they're crispy.
Yeah.
They're fresh.
They gave us two. They gave us two.
Oh, wow.
We're just so cool. I'm kidding.
But they charged me more money for it.
So you probably ordered two.
I said one. He said like 25 cents.
So why do you ask me for $3 more?
I don't know.
What the heck?
Zane, it's $3.
Was that a good reaction? Or do you have to make it better? Hold on. Alright, that was super successful. They're pretty cool. Went to a McDonald's before this.
We got kicked out.
GTR flame. Run, run, run!
My ears.
You ready? I'm gonna show him how to do it because I'm the GTR master. Come look at it. It's cool. Is it on?
Not one.
Oh, it's on. Are you sure? Yeah, you gotta go all the way up to 5. Celsius, I suck at this. I'm gonna stick to Aventadors. your tune's kind of different from the ones that I'm used to. You gotta switch over to Visconti tuning.
Visconti?
Zane, I was about to roast you. You're like, oh, let me do it. I'll shoot bigger flames, and then you get in there and you start revving. It's not shooting any flames.
I
so
know,
take that.
Ow!
Yeah, dude, because I don't have injectors right now. That's why.
Yeah, it's like weird. It's not letting me do it. Is it, dude, does he sell his food?
So cool.
You got no flame.
Slower. She said that driver's seat.
I see you.
She saw me. Ah! Oh my god. You got scared.